All right, here we are. Hayden got this morning at Target, Chaska, and we have Marble Run
From Marble Mania.
from Marble Mania. That's 70 pieces, endless hours of engineering fun. We have the front, the side, the other side, bottom, top, and the back. Look at that. Got all kinds of neat pieces, right, buddy?
Yeah,
What do you say we open it up?
good idea.
All right. Wow. I'm gonna keep everything nice in the bags.
No, I'll just build it.
You know. Okay, we'll be right back. We're gonna build the tower.
All right. See you in a little bit.